My involvement in cancer research advocacy began with volunteering to be a grant reviewer. I worked with researchers to review and rate breast cancer research grants. Despite not having any research background or training, I discovered my experience and insights gained from being a breast cancer survivor added to the conversations. Sometimes it was simple as asking a question because I didn't understand something. Often the resulting discussion led to a more patient-informed decision about the grant. When I first started working with researchers on their own proposals, I mostly focused on helping them explain their research to patients in a way that they could understand and relate to it. Grant proposals almost always have a lay abstract. These are supposed to be a summary that a non-researcher can understand. Often they are heavy on the abstract part and anything but lay. It is critical that these summaries explain the potential impact from a patient perspective. Why would this research be important to us? Often, the answer to that question is missing. My work as a patient research advocate has evolved over time. I seek out education and training to improve my understanding of cancer biology, research, and how to be an effective advocate on behalf of all patients and their families. I now often serve as a part of the research team, providing input on the entire grant application, participating in presenting the grant, and assisting in implementing the grant. I also serve on advisory boards and working committees, even chairing a few. Most often, the advice and wisdom and knowledge we share as advocates is what we view as common sense or obvious. Things like patients won't want to go through 50 blood draws for a study, so we ask, is that really needed? And yes, the quality of life can be just as important as the quantity of life. The opportunities as a patient research advocate are many and exciting. I've found the only limits are whatever I have the time for and interest, passion, and commitment to do the work that needs to be done.